everyone, welcome back to Yoga with Ramoni. Let's get started closing our eyes, taking some deep breaths. Lower your right ear to your right shoulder. Place your right hand on top of your head as you reach your left arm out to the side. Switch sides. Come back to center, bringing your right ear to your right shoulder again, and now dropping your head back, left ear to left shoulder, and chin to chest. Let's keep repeating these head circles. Switch directions. And we come back to center as you lift your shoulders all the way up to your ears and roll them back and down. And just keep repeating that. And now you switch directions, going to the front this time. Reach your arms forward, closing your hands together. Open your arms really wide as you drop your head back, arching your back. And now close your hands together as you tuck your chin in towards your chest. Let's repeat that a few more times at your own pace. Let's close our hands one more time as we lower down into a forward fold, relaxing your upper body. Slowly roll yourself back up as you circle your arms up overhead, touching at the top. Clasp your hands, point your index finger up for a steeple grip as you lean to the right, feeling a stretch all in your left side, keeping those arms straight. Make your way to the other side. Come back to center for a micro back bend. As you cactus your arms open, you drop your head back, arching your back. Reach your arms back up and forward fold. Slowly roll back up, coming to the edge of your seat a little bit so that you can open your legs. Placing your right forearm on your right thigh, reaching your left arm up, you take some circles with your hand. Switch sides. Lower your right arm as you come into a forward fold. Option to clasp your hands behind your head for a neck stretch. Lower your hands back down as you slowly roll up. And you can close your legs back together, bringing your right ankle on top of your left knee for a figure 4. Now you can stay just like this, or you can place your left hand on top of your right knee as you look behind you over that right shoulder. Slowly make your way to the other side. Come back to center, lower that left foot back down. As you circle your arms up overhead, bringing your hands to heart center. For a big inhale in through your nose and let it out. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.